Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Koppe Pan, oblong-shaped white bread similar to a hot dog bun. It is light and soft, mild in flavor, and one of the very basic and versatile breads in Japan. You can fill with something sweet like jam and cream, which we are going to show today, or savory like cutlets or yakisoba. That's our next video. The dough we use for Koppe Pan is exactly the same as our Japanese basic bread. We will follow the recipe until the first rise. Please watch the Japanese basic bread video for instruction. All of the information is also found on our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Here we have the basic Japanese bread dough after the first rise being deflated gently and cut into 6 equal pieces. Pull them apart and flatten each dough a bit by hand and fold it 3 times like a letter and change direction and fold and repeat 3 times. The folded dough should look like soft squares and do the same for all pieces. Now cover with the plastic and let them rest for 15 minutes. Place a dough square on a cutting board, roll it out with a rolling pin to 7 by 4 inches or 18 by 10 centimeters. From a long edge, fold about a third of dough toward the middle and press like that. And we do the same from the other long edge too. Folding and pressing will help to remove air bubbles so that the bread will keep its shape in the oven. Finally, fold and press the long edges together and pinch and tuck in the ends. Repeat for the rest of the dough. Place shaped dough on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper 2 inches apart and brush egg wash, which is the mixture of egg with a pinch of salt, on the surface of the dough. Leave them to double in size about 1 hour. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius for about 9 to 10 minutes until they're brown. You can of course eat them right away, or once cooled, you can cut a slit and open in the middle and add fillings. We're squeezing in apricot jam and buttercream. You can check out our buttercream recipes if you haven't already. And in our next recipe, we'll show you how to make yakisoba pan, a very popular snack or lunch food made with koppe pan. So stay tuned and we hope you enjoy this scrumptious bread.